Stir fries are so great for their convenience and versatility. They are also quick, easy, and healthy. So let's enjoy this delicious shrimp stir fry. I'm going to season my shrimp simply with some dried spices and a little bit of green seasoning. Then to some fish stock, we're going to add cornstarch, a little soy sauce, honey, and some of this fish and meat sauce. In my household, we try our best to monitor our sodium intake, so I limit and omit many of the high sodium sauces that are typically used. And I love this combination because it's very simple yet flavorful and the flavors balance out perfectly. I also added a tiny bit of browning to enhance the color. Next, we're going to wash and prep our vegetables. Remember, stir fry is very versatile, so feel free to use whatever veggies you like. Saute the shrimp in some olive oil for a minute per side, remove, then saute the vegetables with ginger, garlic, and a little scotchy pepper for some heat. They did stick a little but release nicely once the sauce was added. I added the zucchini when I added back the shrimp because it cooks quickly. Once everything is added, let it simmer and come together for another 2 to 3 minutes, then serve with your favorite side. Details are below, and as always, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.